Today we are going to learn what is loop unrolling in code optimization. So with the help of an example, we will learn what is loop unrolling. So suppose there is one code, I is equal to 1, while loop is there in which I value is 10 lakh, and in while loop what we are having now, we are assigning I value to one array, and then after that what we are doing one increment, right? That we are doing in that. So now we are able to see that 10 lakh comparison will happen, and after that it will increment the value. So it will take more time. So what loop unrolling basically do? It helps to optimize the execution time of program. So we are able to see that there are 10 lakh comparisons, so it will take time. So with the help of loop unrolling in code optimization, what we can do, we can optimize the execution time of a program. How we can do that? So we will see here solution. We will see here solution of this same code, how we can write in different ways so that it can optimize the execution time. So we will see here. So that is known as the loop unrolling. So same loop we are writing in different ways so that execution time will get reduced. As we are having 10 lakh comparison of value until up to not go to the 10 lakh, it will execute. So we are writing same thing in different way. While I is less than 10 lakh, then after that what we are doing, we are assigning I value to array of I, and we are incrementing. We can write like this also, like this also, no problem, it's same. After that again what we are doing, again we are assigning to I value to array, and again we are doing increment. Same thing we are writing in 2 times. This we have written in our loop, right, earlier, 1 time. But now what we are doing, we are writing same thing 2 times in a while loop. So we can say in that way it execute in less time, or we can say it is optimizing the execution time of the program. So we can say by this way, how many comparison? We can say the half comparison will happen, right? Half comparison will happen because we are writing same thing 2 times. So it will reduce the time and comparison also. So that thing is known as loop unrolling in code optimization. So in that way, we can decrease the time if any loop is having more number of comparison and it will take more time. So how we can reduce the execution time, how we can reduce the comparison, this comes under loop unrolling code optimization. So if you like, then subscribe the channel, comment below. And the next topic of code optimization will be loop jamming.